Umentri rangba ka jilla Conrad ke sangma mentagasngi pratrek unaitung arjar pulai ulapli patba ek National Law University hapo ka campus Pasipor ha Mayurbhanj Complex Shillong. Hakane kasngi la sakhi ru ek jingedon lang Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court Sanjeev Banerjee umentri ka tanat puli puthi urakam is sangma baru Vice Chancellor Jongkani University Professor Indrajit Dubey. Habakran hakane gejing alang Conrad ke sangma ula banjur halor gejing don kam panpen bet nanti hakot ka an bat ki an jong ki tynrai bat lepan paru gejing ang not na kabenta ka National Law University bakan long kaslam wat bniah ka janai halor ki an tynrai bat ya kabala jubut nanti haborok ki jilla ka than chatai lammingi Shosho na kalyang umentri rang ba ulopan pau baka jingdon jong ka National Law University kan yarap banwan ra ek jing kala hakabay day baka jing puli bat ki an bat ka jing wat banya hapo ka janla Meghalaya.
The only way now.
Yes.
When technology is there, to make it happen, why not?
In fact, when I've been asked to
That kind of an education system where we're combining different disciplines, and I'm happy to say that the National Law University here in Meghalaya is in a way leading in these areas. I'm told that data science is, I think, one of the first universities in the country that will be offering this particular course. So this is the way things are moving. So that's something really, really exciting, I should say. Number two, I think what is very important is the fact that I really hope, as I said, and this is again linking to my experience 25, 30 years back, is that when an institute comes up, an institute is not just about giving education. The value of an institute comes out in basis of its research that it does, the innovation that you do. And innovation means not just product innovation, it's process innovation, it's law innovation, anything that's going to make things better. So therefore, innovation is very important. And I hope that this institute should become an institute and a center of excellence. Now we have our customary laws.